Imagine you're putting together a puzzle, but instead of matching shapes, you're assembling buttons, charts, and forms to create a functional web. Intrigued? Hello, this is Elena Skripins from Viscosity, and as you might have guessed, we'll be talking today about the magic of Apex. Now we know what you might be thinking. With all new tools popping up left and right, why should we stick with Apex? Well, we'll dive into that question today with our solutions architect at Viscosity, Emanuel Cifuentes. Can you walk us through the key features and components of Oracle Apex for those unfamiliar with it?
Sure, absolutely. Oracle Apex is a local platform built on top of the Oracle database. It blends a little bit the front end and the back end. It allows you to develop both mobile and web apps using some predefined components, and you can also extend functionality using JavaScript and PLC code running on the database. It allows people that don't have a lot of experience with coding to get started and build complex and fully fledged working web apps by using just dragging and dropping and configuring things here and there.
Now, considering the pre-built templates and commands that make development easier, some may wonder if Apex is sufficient to build sophisticated applications that can compete with other modern tools in terms of quality, interface, design, and usability. Can you speak to how Apex addresses these concerns and ensures the applications built with it are both powerful and competitive in today's market?
Yes, of course. First of all, when it comes to customization, there's a built-in mechanism to do that. You can use the theme roller to customize how your application looks and feels. So you can change some of the colors, and you can put in your logo, things like that. That's like basic aesthetic kind of changes. You can also use templates at the region level or the page level, so you can create a reusable layout for your page. That way you can change a theme or a template one time and then apply it to every page, and they're all going to look consistent. They're going to look similar, and even after, you can still play around with the locations and the arrangement of things inside. Finally, I would say the way you can extend the functionality if what you get out of the box is not enough for you, there's the plugin mechanism that you can use to set up your own, not only visual components. You can create like your own components to include in a page, but you can also do all kinds of things where you extend the basic functionality of Apex using JavaScript and PLC code, and it could be front-end sort of type of components, or it could be other kinds of components, not just visual, but integrations with other platforms as well.
There is a constant stream of shiny new tools vying for our attention. Why, after all, should we keep using Apex?
Well, it's solid. It's backed by Oracle. Definitely, that's a plus. Oracle is this huge corporation that's been around for many, many years, and is going to be around for a long time. I think it's very important, very influential in the market and in technology all around. So you have that support out of this big company that's putting a lot of emphasis and is putting a lot of energy and resources into developing and promoting Apex. So they are definitely going to continue to update and release new functions, new versions. So it's still going to be around for a while. You can place a safe bet on Oracle Apex, because definitely it's going to continue to be developed, and new features are coming out. They release new versions every year. So definitely there will be it's future-proof, right? Also, another thing is that the learning curve is not that steep, so it's kind of easy to get into Oracle Apex. People that don't have coding experience can start working on Apex. If you're a coder, definitely you can take advantage of your own skills and do a lot with Apex. But even if you don't, even if you're coming from something like a DBA background, you can put your skills into work and develop applications if you know a little bit of relational databases and tables and things like that. Right?
What if we are not using Oracle database? Could there be any challenges while integrating Apex with other applications or databases?
Well, you can definitely integrate Apex with other platforms and tools. Apex comes in with a component out of the box that's called the RESTful components. There's several under that name. Basically, what you do is that you can connect Oracle Apex to other platforms and other data sources and sort of see them all together in a single app and a single application. It's transparent to the user whether the data is coming from your own Oracle database or from other platforms. And another thing that you have is you can connect to other platforms via something like an API, a RESTful API, right? Oracle handles that like out of the box. And if something that's a little more complex, then you also have the ability to play with PL SQL, and then you can integrate with pretty much any tool or platform out there. You can definitely, we've done it quite a few times, and it's definitely nothing complicated. So it's just a matter of knowing how to authenticate, how to integrate, and it's definitely something that you can put into practice.
Apex seems to be a sustainable solution for the long term. Do you think it will maintain a massive impact on software development over the next 10 years?
I do. I trust that it will. Like I said, it's backed by Oracle. It's been around for several years now. I mean, I've been working with Apex for over 8 years now. It's been a while, and so far it's only grown. It's only gotten better. So absolutely, I do think that it's still going to be around in the next few years. Just always coming up with new features and just trying to integrate, the newest and latest standards are coming out every day.
Thanks a lot for this engaging talk about Apex. I bet there won't be any doubts and concerns now about choosing Apex over other tools. If you find this video helpful, please like and share. That would mean a lot to us.